Are you drowning in paperwork and tired of chasing signatures the old-fashioned way? Today, we're putting Dotloop and DocuSign head-to-head, dissecting their features, pricing, and integrations, so you can finally ditch the paper and choose the perfect e-signature solution for your real estate or business needs. Let's jump in. First up, Dotloop. Known for its real estate focus, Dotloop excels at managing entire transactions. Think of it as your all-in-one hub for documents, e-signatures, and communication. Key features include collaborative workspaces, task management, and compliance tools specifically designed for real estate deals. Now, let's look at DocuSign. While DocuSign isn't limited to real estate, it's a powerhouse in e-signatures and document management across various industries. Its strengths lie in its robust API, extensive integration options, and a wide range of advanced features, like payment collection and ID verification. Let's talk cost. Dotloop's pricing typically varies depending on the number of users and the specific features you need. Often with TM-based plans, DocuSign offers a wider variety of plans, ranging from personal use to enterprise-level solutions, so you can choose the plan that best fits your budget and usage. Integrations are key. Dotloop seamlessly integrates with popular real estate platforms and MLS systems. DocuSign, on the other hand, boasts a vast ecosystem of integrations with CRM, accounting software, and other business applications. So, which one is right for you? If you're a real estate professional looking for a transaction management system with building e-signature capabilities, Dotloop is a strong contender. But if you need a versatile e-signature platform with extensive integrations for broader business applications, DocuSign might be the better choice. Ultimately, the best platform depends on your specific needs and priorities. Do your research, take advantage of free trials, and choose the solution that will streamline your workflow and help you close more deals. Good luck.